In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Accounts. Now select this gear next to Google. Click on Google Password Manager and finally tap on any password you wish to edit. Enter your login method. Click on Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!